Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you: the best solar floodlights you can get your hands on. These lights are designed to illuminate your outdoor space with efficiency and convenience. Stick around to find out why they're a must-have for your home. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Tuffenough Solar Outdoor Lights, the best solar floodlights available in the market today. These lights are designed to brighten up your outdoor areas while offering you some incredible features. Let's dive right into what makes these lights stand out from the rest. First off, they come equipped with not one, not two, but 3 adjustable heads. This means you can direct the light exactly where you need it, whether it's your backyard, front door, or driveway. But that's not all. These lights boast an impressive 210 LED beats that produce up to 2,500 lumens of brightness. That's some serious illumination power. No more stumbling in the dark. These lights will light up your space effectively. Now, here's the real game changer: the remote control. With this handy remote, you can easily switch between 3 lighting modes. Want a strong, continuous light? You got it. Need a dim, energy-saving mode that brightens up when motion is detected? Check. How about motion-activated mode? It's all at your fingertips. And don't worry about the weather. These lights are IP65 waterproof, so they can handle rain, snow, or whatever Mother Nature throws at them. They're built to last. These lights charge during the day and automatically turn on at night. No need for wires or batteries. Just harness the power of the sun for long-lasting illumination. Inside, you'll find a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery paired with a high-efficiency solar panel. This combo ensures that these lights can charge even on cloudy days. You'll get hours of illumination when you need it most. But don't just take my word for it. Check out what customers are saying. With over 20,000 ratings and an impressive 4.4-star average, these lights have proven themselves in homes across the country. So there you have it, folks, the Tuffenough Solar Outdoor Lights. Your solution to outdoor illumination. With remote control convenience, powerful brightness, and weather resistance, they're the best solar floodlights on the market. Say goodbye to dark nights and hello to a well-lit, secure outdoor space. That wraps up today's product showcase on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the right product can make a world of difference. Until next time, happy shopping!